Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. In today's video, I will show you how to create these two adorable printables for free using PicMonkey, your home computer, and a printer. Once you have PicMonkey pulled up on your screen, click on Create New, Blank Canvas. Scroll down until you find print sizes. Click on the size you want to print. I'm using 11 by 8.5. You should see a screen similar to this. Click on Text in the left-hand corner. Now click Add Text. Double-click in the text block and type the word or saying you want. I used Be Still for this one. I then clicked on the font on the right side. This pulls up all the fonts available. If you are using the free plan, you will only be able to use PicMonkey's font. I will leave a link in the description below that will help you decide if the free plan is right for you. I use the paid plan, so I'm able to use my own custom font. To start, I thought I would use the Sophia Pro font. I think I got it from thefont.com. But I thought this font looked better. Then I simply played around with it until I had it placed exactly where I wanted it to print on the paper. I hit the download button at the top of the screen, made sure it was being saved as a PNG file, and hit download. I realized I had saved it without a transparent background, so I went and made my background transparent and resaved the Be Still. Highlight the text and replace it with another saying. I use Sweet Dreams for this one. I sized it and placed it where I wanted it to print also. To make the background transparent, click on Edits on the left and then Background Color, then open the background palette. A new window will pop up that says Background. Click on Pick a Color. Below the color chart, you will want to click the box that says Transparent. This will create a PNG file with a transparent background so you can print your printable on any light colored paper or cardstock. If you have a dark background, you can change the font color by simply clicking on the word or phrase. Then in the text drop-down menu that pops up, click on the black circle. This brings up the font colors, and you can choose whichever color you want. After I printed out both sayings, I used two Dollar Tree 11 by 14 frames. I added a white mat and a black mat that I also got from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this PicMonkey tutorial and learned something new today. If you have any questions about PicMonkey, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And sign up for my mailing list to get access to all my free printables, downloads, and special offers for subscribers only. Thanks for watching.